Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about WhatsApp and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of WhatsApp. If you find here update, then you can click to update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.